to reside. Normally, the Fulani come, they will come like better people. Good day, my people. You're welcome to today's political discussion. We are still discussing Nigerian politics. Now, many years ago, the Plateau people gave Fulani lands. The Middle Belt, Benue people in Benue State, they gave Fulani lands to reside. Normally, the Fulani come, they will come like better people. They come with their cows. They come with everything they have. They will beg you to give them.
Ó ti dójú ẹ̀ báyìí o. Ó ti dójú ẹ̀ báyìí. Ọmọ Yorùbá ó ti wá lẹ́tìkẹ́. Àwọn Hausa àti Middle Belt wọ́n ti fún Fulani quick notice. Ó lágbára. Tẹ́ bá sọ fún yín pé àwọn Fulani olórí ibu ni wọ́n. Ẹni àjí kò ní wọ́n. Tẹ́ wá rí pé àwọn Hausa iná àti Middle Belt ojú wọn ti là. Ọmọ Yorùbá mo fẹ́ kí àjọ farabalẹ̀ kájọ gbọ́ ohun tí mo tún mú wá lọ́jọ́ tòní. Ẹ bá mi fìdílé nǹkan kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ bá mi pín ètò yìí kó lọ dáadáa. Àníṣe àwọn Hausa àti Middle Belt wọ́n ti fún àwọn Fulani ní quick notice kí wọ́n emigrate àwọn kò lórí ilẹ̀ àwọn ò fẹ́ wọn lórí ilẹ̀ mọ́. Tó ìpànìyàn ó ti pọ̀ jù. Tẹ́ ẹ bá gbàgbé lọ́jọ́ Sunday ẹ wo àdúrà àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n pa àwọn Christian tí wọ́n ń ṣe àyájọ́ ọdún wọn jẹ́jẹ́ wọn. Ẹ wò páwọn Fulani ti wọ àárín wọn lọ. Ẹ wò bó ti ń pa wọ́n. Palm Sunday ni o. Kí ló dé? Kí ni àwọn Hausa ìran gba yín ẹ̀yin Fulani? Ẹsẹ̀ wo làwọn Hausa ìṣẹ́yìn àti Middle Belt ẹ fẹ́ rí wọn sójú? Kí ló dé? Christian ni wọ́n nà á. Wọ́n nípa àwọn òṣè ságídí wọ́n fi ṣe Mùsùlùmù ni. Ságídí wọ́n fi gbẹ ẹ̀sìn tẹ́ ń ṣe ni. Ẹ̀sìn fẹ́ lọ́hùn lẹ̀. Torí ìwà burúkú tí wọ́n wù yìí lọ́fà ní àwọn Hausa àti Middle Belt dìde. Wọ́n dìde, wọ́n bínú tán. Wọ́n sọ wípé àwọn ti fún ní good notice. Wọ́n bọ̀rọ̀ kó lórí ilẹ̀ àwọn ọ̀fẹ́ wọn lórí ilẹ̀ àwọn mọ́. Wọ́n ti ń pa wọ́n jù. Ẹgbẹ́ àkẹ́tà ń sọ ní pé èèyàn wa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Bó lè jẹ́ pé agbára Fulani ò lè ká wa, kò tẹ́ lè ká wa lórí ilẹ̀ wa láíláí. Àwọn ò ní fẹ́ wálẹ̀ fún wọn. Àwọn ò ní fẹ́ wálẹ̀ fún wọn. A jẹ́ fẹ́ wálẹ̀ fún àwọn Fulani. Possible náà ẹ̀yà ọmọlúàbí ni wá lóòótọ́ àmọ́ gbúgbúrú ni wá àgbà kan tú wa sílẹ̀. Ṣé ẹ rí àwọn Hausa yìí? Ṣé ẹ rí bá àwọn Fulani ti báyé wọn jẹ́ yìí tó bó ti báyé wọn jẹ́? Tí ìbá ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ lọ́hùn àti ariwo táwọn ń pa òun ló jáwọn náà nísìnyí. Òun ló táwọn náà gbọ́n táwọn náà jí lójú ohun wọn. Bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ Fulani ó rọ̀ wọ́n lè mọ̀ tán ni o. Èèyàn mi ohun tí mo mú wá fún wa yìí lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí mo fẹ́ kí a fara balẹ̀ kájọ gbọ́. Mo fẹ́ kájà balẹ̀ kájọ gbọ́ ohun tí mo mú wá fún wa yìí. Good notice tí àwọn Hausa àti Middle Belt fún àwọn Fulani. Ẹ jẹ́ kájọ fi tara gbọ́. Ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ.
They come with everything they have. And if you very, very clear, you see, the Fulani has infiltrated the Nigerian system. In the army, you see that they are there. In the Nigerian civil service, they are there. In the whole of northern Nigeria, produce size northern politicians that are likely to be president from the local region. 5 of them are the Fulani. Yes, we have Buhari. Now look at El-Rufai. Look at the cloud that El-Rufai brought together when he was burying his mother and the prayers at the Abuja mosque. Look at the caliber of people that came to El-Rufai's mom's burial. How many Hausa politicians do you see there? Hausa has a majority in population. How many Hausa politicians do you see there? These are Fulani politicians. And Fulani in population, you cannot compare them to the Hausas. So what is happening? The insecurity going on in northern Nigeria today, it is all traceable to the Fulani. Creation of terrorist groups, bandit groups, traceable to the Fulani. Now what is going on? So the Middle Belt agenda, and now we are seeing it very, very clear. You see, the Fulani has infiltrated the Nigerian system. You see there. These are Fulani politicians. And Fulani, in population, you cannot compare them to the Hausas. So what is happening? The insecurity going on in Northern Nigeria today is all traceable to the Fulani. Creation of terrorist bad groups traceable to the Fulani. Now what is going on? So the new belt, you gave your lands to these guys. You never knew that they had intentions. You never read history. The Yoruba people today, they fought with the Fulani. What was the plan of the Fulani? Is to dip the Quran in the Atlantic Ocean. They use Islam as a guise, as use it as a manipulation, mago to enter you. Somebody said that we and the Yorubas, the person that said it is a Fulani. We and the Yorubas, we have something in common, and what we have in common is religion. We know how to use religion and enter them, and they are succeeding. There are some Yorubas that are behaving like Fulanis. They are succeeding. That with time will dip the Quran in the Atlantic Ocean. That means they are going to use religion to conquer you. Let's take Kwara State for instance. Look at Loru. Let's assume it is a conquered place, because I believe the Yorubas will reclaim it in due time. Let's assume it's a conquered place. The Yorubas that are there, are they behaving like the Yorubas or they are behaving like the Fulani? The Fulani are found to colonize. You see, when they use religion to enter you, they want to train you to behave like them. They turn you to their slaves. Yes, you start dressing like them, looking like them. I'm telling you, these are the realities we have seen in Nigeria over the years. So the middle belt, Benue people, Kogi people, Kwara, in a village in Kwara State, they have deserted that village because of the activities of these Fulani terrorists. Look at our security agents, our security chief of army staff, chief of defense staff. Look at what they were saying. You are calling these guys prodigal sons. You are calling these guys your brothers. So don't they read psychology? You come before the whole world. There's a mic before you. You are calling bandits and terrorists your prodigal son. Do you know what the prodigal son is? We know that the word prodigal son, the story is gotten from the Bible. The prodigal son was accepted to his father, irrespective of what he did, how he languished his money or his part of the wealth that was given to him. So there is no law in Nigeria today that if you kill, you face the wrath of the law. If you kill murder, it is death. The penalty according to law is likely death or life imprisonment. These people, they kill, they maim, they kidnap, they commit all sorts of atrocities. Now, the statement that will come from our security agencies is that these guys are prodigal sons. They are brothers. Yes, they are lost sons. That's why I'm telling you that the Fulani has infiltrated the Nigerian military. A Yoruba man saying that they are prodigal sons tells you the kind of influence that we get from the military system, the Nigerian military system. You will not understand until you work in the civil service. You work in an office whereby you go to office, EFCC office in Enugu State. You go to EFCC office in Enugu State. You go think say that Hausa land you dey. Now, as an Igbo person, you are being employed and you are working in that office. Don't you know that your environment somehow has an effect on you? Those people are Fulani or Hausa, they speak Hausa. Before you know it, you start adapting to their way of life. In your own Igbo land, small people, you know they learn Hausa, you behave like them because they have colonized the system. So I don't blame Oloselu for saying that bandits, terrorists are prodigal sons because the Fulani system has colonized them in the Nigerian army. That's why they cannot win the war against insecurity. Now, let Tinubu's government fast implement state police so that the Fulani will finish these people wait for middle belt. Because as they have started a movement to flush the Fulani politically, to flush the Fulani religion-wise. You see, this movement that is being created in the middle belt by the Hausa people and other ethnicities is a threat to the Fulani caliphate. And the caliphate will do everything it can to defend its position in northern Nigeria. They see themselves as first class citizen in the whole of Nigeria, not only the north. They see themselves as first class citizen in the whole of Nigeria. Now, somebody from Hausa land that we have conquered, that are our slaves, that we are ahead of, wants to build a political movement that will displace us. Like I told you, a Northerner, especially a Fulani person, Fulani politician, and power, a Northerner and power, you cannot separate them. If you take away power from a Northerner, a Northern politician, or the Northern political class, you have killed them totally. Tinubu send them packing from his own government so that they will not come and start becoming cabal, the likes of L5. You know that they can control, they are controlling. He identified those that he can work with. He sent the major ones out of his government, kept them far away from his government, empowered Southerners. In Tinubu's administration today, I have said it before, that Southerners are the most powerful. One of the most powerful politicians under Tinubu's administration, that is a cabal, is wicked. Yes, wicked. Yes, wicked. So other persons are working behind. Yes, wicked is one of the most trusted political loyalists of Bola Tinubu, though he is in the PDP. So the Fulani, they are not powerful under his government. It is Southerners that are powerful. Look at Saraki. Somebody, one of my viewers told me, said something to me. He told me that Saraki's father is a Fulani. I looked at it, and thank you very much for that clarification. Now look at the Fulani, Saraki. Saraki becoming a PA, kind of, to Wike. The Fulanis don't like this. They don't like to play second fiddle to anybody. Even while Obasanjo was president, he was being controlled by the cabals. Once Obasanjo was president, because they were telling that we took you from power, from prison, we made you president. Even while Jonathan was president, anytime a Southern is president, they come with their control and whether it is threat. Buhari and Elfa, we knew what they said about threats, killing. Baboons and monkeys soaking blood under Jonathan's regime. We know how easy they want to cause katakata, they want to cause insecurity, they want to cause chaos. How easy it is for the Fulani. So if you take away political power from them, it's a serious battle. And I know those in Hausa land, people that are setting up these political organizations that want to send the Fulani packing, you know what you are doing. See, one problem I have in Nigerians is that an average Nigerian, he wants good governance, but he cannot sacrifice for good governance. He wants Nigeria to be better, but the way Nigeria is, there must be a revolution and bloodshed. I'm just telling you the fact and truth. The way Nigeria is, there must be a revolution and bloodshed before you can talk about good governance. Even with the restructuring that Tinubu wants to do, if it doesn't take time, you should be very, very careful with these Fulani people. So the Hausa people that have set up a political movement, giving the Fulani, ready, make sure that you have your network with politicians in your area, with intellectuals in Hausa land. Let the whole of Hausa land come under one body. Don't let the Fulani use all those their political tactics to deceive you, to infiltrate you and scatter you people, because they know best how to do it. They have been doing it with Southern Nigeria for a very long time. You see, Fulani, Northern Nigeria, they will cause katakata for Southern Nigeria. Ijoma will be fighting Igbo man, Igbo man will be fighting Yoruba man. We are fighting ourselves while they are taking our oil and resources. They are empowering themselves. They are empowering the political elite in Northern Nigeria. Look at Delta State, look at Bayelsa, look at Akwa Ibom. How many people from these areas own oil facilities like the Northerners, like the Fulani? How many of them have a relatable stake in their resources? All these ones where militants will fight tomorrow, will give them, you work, no one are calling work. there are some people that own stake, oil fields. Yes, from northern Nigeria, that most people from the regions that they are taking this oil from cannot even smell it. Look at NNPC. NNPC, now them food here, northerners food here. They don't get oil, they don't go to school, pass people for south, but that their food here, that they carry the whole day in NNPC. So you know what we are saying? We have said it that the revolution that is coming for the Fulani, I have predicted, and I still stand by my words. Under Tinubu's administration, Fulani, they will regret ever supporting a Muslim ticket, using somebody like Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They will regret. Look at what's happening to L5. Look at the sentiment that they are bringing. People are emotional. Let the L5 supporters, let Fulani people be emotional with L5 and co. People don't want to tell us the truth. You don't want to tell us what is reality. Those people, they are positioning themselves to snatch power from Tinubu. Yes. And they know that Tinubu is a Jagaban. So a thief know how to behave like a thief to catch a thief. They know themselves. So they play, it's like a game of chess. They find sophisticated ways to outplay, outsmart themselves for not their focus on that power. They are here pitching for L5. L5 as governor, the atrocity he committed against the people, will tell his government. L5, you came out and made a claim. Shouldn't the DSS find out? You supported the Buhari government that unjustly went to Kenya to snatch somebody in Kenya. Unjustly. You supported that government. Malami, the same thing. Malami wanted to cry like a baby because they said they were shutting down his houses. When they did the same to Nnamdi Kanu, they just did as if nothing happened. Now, just if Elfa hadn't made that statement, they would have not invited him. It is a normal thing. If Elfa were to be president, somebody makes that statement to his NSA. Would Elfa expect the NSA to prosecute that person? They know that the system is wrong, and went throughout the years of Buhari, these locals were clapping, supporting, clapping, saying, oh yes, for Buhari. They never saw anything wrong in Buhari. But it is Tinubu's thought that if people are trying to point, this one is wrong, this one is right. Now the same, so now all of them have come together for ABC. Commode Jonathan, injustice, fool in our body. Now you are testing the medicine used to dish out to people. And you are testing a cup of your medicine. And you are lamenting left, right, center. We have said it. The way things are going, the Fulani is in trouble. And we are here to televise it. We are here to report it. We are here to analyze the doubts. Look at the killings. Palm Sunday. People are just living their lives. You just come and start killing.
Why?
I know there's a plan, there's a plot to trigger.
Why?
You know, the people, is it Rukuba boys, and the people that they attacked, those oneself they get Costco for head. After then some Fulani came on social media and say Christian terrorists are still killing. The same Fulani people that were reporting Christians were killing people did not tell us that it was their people, their brothers that started the killing. You can see how hypocritical these people are. Now, in the north now, what politicians want is that bandits and terrorists go and kill 20, 30 people. Tomorrow, reconciliation, peace. Can there be peace without justice? I'm asking this question. Can there be good governance without justice? This, our system lacks justice. People will come out from the bush anytime they like. They will kill people. When they kill people, the people are agitated. You now say peace. You go and call leaders of Fulani. Those leaders that are calling, instead of you to give them fiery sword, you are going to call them to come and make peace. So when they do the same conference in Yorubaland, I think is it Ondo or Ogun State, former header clashes, peace, whatever, peace summit. Upon the peace summit, the same terrorists are still killing people in Yorubaland. Every now and then, peace summit. Thereby, you are putting fear in those communities. People are reducing. Look at Kwara State. In the black community, people have deserted it. It is, I don't know. We have said it. This is mere geographical expression called Nigeria. If you don't rearrange it and put it in order, restructure it, my brother, one Nigeria will kill people. One Nigeria, like they make Fulani go take, pursue somebody from your own ancestral home. You are not talking about the house you built. You are not talking about the investment you have. You are talking about your life is in danger. We have a government we have a president who is the commander-in-chief of the armed forces, but the president cannot protect you. And he's coming to tell you that, come and vote for me for the election. And the same people will vote for him. Security, which is the basic. Shelter, food, shelter, security, which are the basic. The government will over vote for them. That's why most times I don't pay for Nigerians. I'm telling you, the people that these Fulani bandits and terrorists attacked, they are also violent people. They get stronger. So the Fulani is planning to create crisis, to resurrect crisis in England. Yes, they know they have the backing. The same bandits and terrorists that our Nigerian military, well equipped, command and control, have armored tanks. They are finding it difficult to contain them since the days of Jonathan. Is it these young people that are around them, like this Rukuba, just youth, Lati youth, that with the little clubs they have and everything, is it the people, these same people that will be able to fend off or fight off these killers? When our Nigerian military is struggle, they kill general, they attack National Defense Academy, barracks, National Defense. These people attack National Defense Academy. They kidnapped a high-ranking officer. Do you know what it is? They have attacked our different bases. They destroy our base. They kidnap Sani Uba, a general, and they televised it. You know, in fact, if any soldier is walking around, they should be covering their faces in shame. But there's no shame anymore. There's no shame. You know, look at those young boys. Look how they are. You go to Abia State, go to Aba, choose 1,000 hefty young men in Aba. Give them 3 or 6 months training on how to, you know, say Abia State, then do gun competition. You know, Abia State. Teach them on how to handle the weapons. Give them all the necessary gadgets and everything. Aba, let them go to that Sambusa forest. Give them what they need. Don't wait everything. Give them. Let them enter the Sambusa forest. You know whether there won't be difference. Take away the Nigerian army from this, because the sabotage is coming from within. How did they get to know that general was there? Generally, they communicate with him people for WhatsApp. Before him people come meet him, ISWAP don't call catch him where he did. How did the ISWAP know he's there? Someone that is hiding. How did you know? If you have this 1,000 above us enter Sambusa forest, my brother, you don't say there's conspiracy what is happening. So I'm happy that the people of the really don't, they take this opportunity, wake up and wake up.
Yes.
Don't let anybody fool you.
Yes.
You have to, like very dark man said, you have to defend yourself.
Defend yourself. If
you don't defend yourself, you are your own.
Defend yourself.
If you cannot defend yourself, you are your own. This will kill you. And what yourself go and tell them is that let's have dialogue and peace. Can there be peace, dialogue, unity without justice? No. Most of these middle politicians, they are slaves to the Fulani. They are being groomed by the Fulani. That's why most of them cannot talk. Their people are being killed. The governor will come, like, calm down, please.
Ẹ̀yin wa ohun tá a tún wá fún nílé ìgbà yìí o ṣẹ̀dí gbọ́ ẹ bá wa bìfẹ́ wò ṣẹ̀dí mọ́gbà ẹ mọ́gbà láti bá wa pín ètò náà kọ́ lọ dáadáa ohun tá a tú rí ká ní ká mú wá fún yín náà lẹ́sìn gbọ́ yìí o mo rí ẹ gbọ́ dáadáa rẹ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ àwọn Haúsá àti Nítúbẹ̀ wọ́n ti fún àwọn Fúlàní ní quick notice láti evacuate kúrò lórí ilẹ̀ àwọn bí wọ́n ṣe ń pa wọ́n ó ti pọ̀ jù ìgbà tí wọ́n pa wọ́n ti pọ̀ jù inú wọn ò ti sùn sí mọ́ wọn ò sì fara wọn mọ́ tí wọ́n ti sọ pé àwọn kì í ṣe Fúlàní Haúsá làwọn àwọn Fúlàní ẹ̀sìn ni wọ́n á bá wọn lórí ilẹ̀ àwọn ni tó wá yẹ tó wá bá wọn lórí ilẹ̀ kó tún mọ pàápàá ìdí nìyẹn táwọn náà fi dìde pé ó tó gẹ́ àwọn ò fẹ́ nǹkan bá mọ́ ẹ̀dí gbọ́ ohun tí mo mú wá fún yín náà nìyí máa lọ ẹ ṣé gan ni ó gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ ń wò mí nílé ojú tẹ̀ fún ojú lónìí gbọ́ ọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tẹ̀ fi ń gbọ́ mi ojú lónìí ti ọwọ́ tẹ̀ ń bá mi kí ètò tó fi lọ dáadáa ẹni fọwọ́ náà gbọ́mọ sí àwa láàmú wá bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ẹ̀yin náà láàmú dé bá láṣẹ Èdùmàrè ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.